Greetings from the Sodium Attacker channel. If you're a short-term sodium watcher, sometimes when women are pregnant, they have to watch their sodium until the baby's born for their health and the health of the baby. Other times people have a medical condition that is a forever deal. If you are a short-term sodium watcher, you have a golden opportunity to help your family forever and maybe ward off some of these medical problems that us long-term sodium watchers have. What a glorious thing to be able to do for your family. That's your tip for the day. If my tip helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment or a question. I'll try to answer the question. I'll be posting several videos a month with tips for you on keeping that sodium down.